SARS has adopted an accumulative method of taxing multiple lump sums received, and this applies not only to different lump sums received in the same tax year, but also where multiple lump sums are received in different tax years. That is why this calculator allows you to enter the amounts into the fields for previous tax years. If this taxpayer's details had been brought forward when you imported data from the previous tax years, then any lump sums taken in previous tax years will be displayed in the previous tax years on the screen for you. We must add all lump sums received in the tax year, and the accumulated total will be taxed using a set of tables applicable to the lump sum which you indicate as having been taken last in the current tax year. You have control over which set of tables the calculator will use, and which T button you select will decide the set of tax tables to be used. In cases where more than one lump sum was taken in this current tax year, then you must set the T to the set of tables applicable to the lump sum taken last in the tax year. Switching between selecting these new T buttons allows you to switch between tax tables used on the total of all lump sums taken. With different lump sums received maybe days apart in this current tax year, this may prove useful in matching the figures produced by SARS's choice of tables used. Let's say our taxpayer went on pension from a pension fund and also made a withdrawal of some of his provident fund, preferring to take the rest of the provident fund sometime in a future tax year. Let's say this taxpayer received a code 3915 lump sum of 500,000 Rand from his pension fund, and also decided to take a code 3920 withdrawal of 100,000 Rand from the provident fund, all in this current tax year. The code 3920 pre-retirement withdrawal of 100,000 Rand from the provident fund is entered in the resignation column. The 500,000 pension lump sum is shown in the retirement column. As this 500,000 Rand pension lump sum was taken last in the tax year, we have selected the T button in the retirement column. This means the retirement benefit tax tables will be used for the cumulative total of the lump sum. SARS says the amounts are all added together to make a total of 600,000 Rand. And the 600,000 Rand total is taxed as per the set of tables applicable to the lump sum taken last. We selected the retirement lump sum as being taken last, and you can see we indicated it with a T, so the retirement set of tables will be used. The first 500,000 Rand of the lump sum amount is tax-free. The balance of 100,000 Rand is taxed at 18% to give a tax of 18,000 Rand. We now have to use the same set of retirement tables to work out the tax on all lump sums taken prior to the lump sum taken last. This means we apply the retirement set of tables to the 100,000 Rand withdrawal. The first 500,000 of the 100,000 withdrawal amount is tax-free, so no tax is levied on the 100,000 Rand. Note that it is completely irrelevant what tax was actually levied on the 100,000 Rand withdrawal when it was paid out. So we have tax of 18,000 Rand on the 600,000 Rand total, less no tax on the 100,000 withdrawal, which means tax of 18,000 Rand due. What about a new case where the taxpayer went on pension last year and received a lump sum of 1.2 million from the pension fund? He then made a pre-retirement withdrawal of 500,000 Rand from his provident fund this year. The same rules apply, as SARS's accumulative method of taxing lump sums also extends across tax years. All the lump sums are added together, and the set of tables used is the set of tables applicable to the lump sum taken or received last in this current tax year. The lump sums taken last was the 500,000 Rand received as the withdrawal from the provident fund. The total of all the lump sums taken in this year and in all previous tax years after 2009 is 1.7 million, taxed as per the withdrawal tables. The tax on 1.7 million is 459,000 Rand, less the tax that would or should have been due on the 1.2 million. It is irrelevant to the calculation what tax was actually paid on the lump sum taken previously. For the sake of this calculation, we credit the tax due of 459,000 on the 1.7 million total with the tax on the 1.2 million taxed using the same withdrawal tables. The tax on 1.2 million using the withdrawal tables will be 279,000 Rand. Subtracting the 279,000 from the 459,000 means the tax due on the 500,000 Rand taken this year is 180,000 Rand. What if we reverse these amounts and say that the taxpayer received a lump sum withdrawal of 500,000 Rand last year and received a 1.2 million from his pension fund when he retired this year? Once again, we work out the tax on all lump sums added together, but this time we use the retirement set of tables on the accumulated 1.7 million total. The tax is 364,500. From this, we have to subtract the tax on the 500,000 Rand lump sum taken last year using the same retirement set of tables. As this set of tables offers the first 500,000 Rand tax-free, the tax on the withdrawal amount taken last year will be zero. Therefore, the tax on the 1.2 million amount taken this year will be 364,500 Rand less zero. One more example I'd like to show is where the taxpayer received a 300,000 Rand lump sum on retiring from his pension fund last year and made a 200,000 Rand withdrawal from his provident fund this year. One would be mistaken in thinking that after receiving the 300,000 Rand retirement amount last year, that our taxpayer was still entitled to another 200,000 Rand tax-free in future. This would be true if the lump sum taken in future was also a retirement lump sum. Remember that the first 500,000 Rand tax-free only applies to retirement lump sums.